In this video, I'm gonna show you how to change Gmail password in iPhone. So let's get started. First open Gmail app on your iPhone. Now tap on profile icon at the top right side and switch to the Gmail account whose password you need to change. Again tap on profile icon at the top right side. Now tap manage your Google account button. On the next screen, go to security tab. Under how you sign in to Google section, you will find an option password. Just tap on it. Enter your current password for security reasons and tap on next. On the next screen, enter new password and enter same password in confirm new password field. Once done, tap change password. You will get message pop-up. Just tap change password and your Gmail password will be changed. So that is how you can change Gmail password in iPhone. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.